Hello folks, we're here today at Fiber Lane and we're going to show you how to install the 19mm elbow connector, part number 220000102. Today Eli's going to show you how to do this.
Alright, let's do this. Alright, I got a little handy dandy pipe cutter right here, and it has a little deburring function on it. Deburr it. Deburr it. Such a cool word. Alright, do the other one here. Round it out. You want it to be nice and smooth. That way you're not forcing it. Alright, now cheat. Use a little disc sander. This method is, by the way, optional. Beautiful. Alright, now nice and smooth. Then what you want to do is get your pipe, 12 millimeters, measure it out, put a little mark there, make a little plus sign, 12 millimeters here, get yourself a little plus sign here. Alright, easy. And you go ahead and you put your adapter in. Now it's important that you line up this notch right here with the plus sign. So you boop, easy, and then same thing with the female end. Too easy. Alright, then my boss made a little handy dandy little tool here out of a machine bolt, 8mm machine bolt. He rounded off the edges here with the grinder to make like a little punch. And then what you do is you just line up the plus sign with the nail punch. You give it a little loving tap. Alright. Good to go. Alright. One more. Just one more. Alright, there you go. Alright, so then you just pop them together and it should end up like this. There you go. Beautiful.